Video games are a waste of time for men with nothing else to do. There was always a minority afraid of something, and a great majority afraid of the dark, afraid of the future, afraid of the past, afraid of the present, afraid of themselves and shadows of themselves. Stuff your eyes with wonder, live as if you drop dead in 10 seconds. See the world. It's more fantastic than any dream made or paid for in factories. Go to the edge of the cliff and jump off. Build your wings on the way down. Dandelion wine. The words were summer on the tongue. The wine was summer caught and stoppered. The best scientist is open to experience and begins with romance, the idea that anything is possible. The universe has shouted itself alive. We are one of the shouts. You must stay drunk on writing so reality cannot destroy you. Mysteries abound where most we seek for answers. That's the great secret of creativity. You treat ideas like cats, you make them follow you. Believe in one thing too much and you have no room for new ideas. If you want to write, you must lurk in libraries and climb the stacks like ladders to sniff books like perfumes and wear books like hats upon your crazy heads. Life is like underwear, should be changed twice a day.